What is up, everybody? It is Brian with First Shot Tactical, back with another video for you here today. And today we are doing a install of this MagPul Enhanced Magazine Well, and this one is specifically for a Glock 19 Gen 4, but kind of goes across the board. This can go on a 17, Gen 3, Gen 4, but you do have to get the right different model. But install process, very similar for all of these, so just a heads up there. So with that, let's go ahead and get this installed. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna unscrew the screw in here. And then after that, let's go ahead and grab our firearm. And you want to put this lip, there's a little lip right here on it, and you're gonna put that on the front edge of the gun first. And then you're gonna loop this back part, I call this kind of the butt plug here. You're gonna loop that right into that hole there. So line up the front part, like I said, and then push that in like so. And you can see it like wants to come down, and that's why we have to put this tension screw in to secure this in. So next step is exactly that. We're gonna take our screw, make sure and feed it down into the hole here. Line it up. And then of course, it didn't come with an Allen wrench, so you have to have your own here, but I'm pretty sure everyone has these laying around. Push it up, make sure it's pushed up good, and then you're just going to tighten it down. All right, and then as far as how tight to put it in, the instructions say you just want to put this screw flush with your grip here, or the magwell. You can take it in further, but it might damage the magwell on the inside. So just get this screw flush and you should be all set. And that's it. Now it's installed and you are good to go. I think it looks pretty cool actually, which looking tactical is part of the battle with all gun stuff first of all, but it also does serve a good purpose as far as helping feed magazines in, so you have that as well. But overall, pretty simple to install. If this was helpful, like and subscribe to the channel. Always appreciate that. And if you have questions, let me know down below. Until next time, have fun shooting everybody, and we'll see you soon. Thanks everyone.